Welcome to our 4-7-8 breathing exercise. We're glad you're here, taking a positive step towards your well-being. Studies have shown that practicing the 4-7-8 technique can significantly reduce anxiety, lower blood pressure, and improve sleep quality when repeatedly practiced over time. Find a comfortable seat with your back straight and shoulders relaxed, or lay down. Start by inhaling deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Then hold your breath for 7 seconds. Last step, exhale slowly through your mouth with tight lips, like you're blowing up a balloon. Do this for 8 seconds. Repeat this for 4 to 8 cycles. Today we'll do 8 cycles together. Just follow the on-screen prompts and listen to my voice. Let's start. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Perfect. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. 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 Last one. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Great job. We hope you're feeling more relaxed and centered. Remember, regular practice leads to the best results. Don't forget to subscribe for more exercises and tips.